as a society, we're dying. We don't have good male role models for kids. We don't. None at all.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It's difficult enough to celebrate the ones that we do have because there are people trying to destroy them every single week, every single day. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I hear you, Manota.
Yeah.
But Fiso,
You're
you're a father of 4, right?
3.
You're a father of 3.
Yeah.
Do you understand what he's saying? Just a quick one.
I mean, you see, with me, when it comes to kids and raising, and I have a lot of triggers, you see?
Yeah.
For mine personally, before mine. But
yeah.
the reason why I disagree with him, I was not raised well to begin with. I don't have a mother, I don't have a father. Right?
Mm-hmm.
My kids live with me in my house.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Why?
Your present father.
I'm raising my kids.
Generational curse broken.
That's so. You see, that's why I want to disagree with him.
Why do you want to disagree with me, dog?
No,
you agree with me.
No, I'm not agreeing with you. You are saying a boy child needs to be raised. Needs to. Sometimes God will take a kid away from people who are not supposed to raise them, and give it to people who are supposed to raise them because He wants them to be raised well.
So you agree with me?
So
you agree with me that Scoop has got nothing to be proud of?
If Scoop's son chose to be raised by their grandfather, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe Scoop's parenting skills, right? No, wait. Not in the wrong way.
I get what you say.
Okay.
Like with me, I'm very friendly with my kids. My kids are not scared of me, dog.
I hear they cry when you leave the house.
You understand?
Yeah.
My kids are not scared of me at all.
Because they don't get sweets.
You understand? So I can't. You see? But the mother just say, Leanne, no, say.
Because even you are scared of the mother.
Do you understand? No, I'm not scared of the mother. Don't talk shit.
Oh, really?
I told you I don't give you a right to talk about my wife.
Okay. I not the mother.
Are we going back there now?
No.
Where you now feel like you know my wife.
Okay, you're scared.
No, I'm asking.
She said we mustn't talk about it.
I'm asking.
Let's follow her.
Are we going back to where now you talk about my wife?
We won't do that.
Now you know my wife now again.
No.
You see when this guy smokes weed. You see when this guy smokes weed and he doesn't take his pills.
Okay.
You see, once he doesn't take his pills and smoke weed, this is what the kind of episode we have.
Man,
I asked you don't talk about my wife. No, I said to him, don't touch my wife. My wife is none of your business.
Okay, we get.
As long as we agreed, don't touch me.
Okay, back to Scoop.
No, it will call. So
never. You're not black coffee, nigga.
I'm not black coffee.
No, you're not. You're just dark.
All right, sharp. Mundi have. Usiphinde lekako uzothetha ngizokukhabela lapha.
Hayi man, relax.
Pinned.
Relax.
Pinned. Utshisa ngomfazi wami pinned. Ithi nywa. Ingagxothwa ngoku ithi